What's up, everyone? It's your boy Sean back with episode 5 of the Lions Rebuild. In today's episode, there's some contract work that will be getting done, but the first game you will see is against the Cleveland Browns, so we do not personally play it. It is basically us simming it. We're trusting our roster building skills. Hopefully, we're able to pull it out. They're coming in on the hot streak. Hopefully, we're able to knock them off. But the next two games you will see after that will be against the Minnesota Vikings and the Chicago Bears, two divisional rivals. So you know we got to play those. We got to come out with doubles against that, man. We got to keep pace, if we want to keep winning this division. Um, you'll also see a key upgrade. It's a really good upgrade too, man. It's one that we really need long term. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, look forward to see you guys down in the comments. First and foremost, on this recording, you may hear a little bit of a squeaking sound because the washing machine behind me is going. But if that affects anybody, I apologize. Okay, let's go back to see who is returning from injury. Tracy Walker, our starting safety, that's pretty important, so that's good. Brashard Perryman, our speed burner, is like 94 speed. I'm really anxious not to play this game for Michael Pittman's sake, but I got to do what's best with the team here. I'm sorry, Michael. Hopefully, get your yards. Please don't lose the Baker Mayfield. Don't lose the Baker Mayfield. Damn, we lost by a touchdown. But in other good news, though, we're 5-5. So is the Green Bay Packers. No, Green Bay is 5-6. The Vikings are 5-5. Hey, bro, we vibing. Who got hurt now? I wasn't gonna resign you anyway. I don't care. His injury don't affect me no way. Ain't moving my needle. Who's returning from injury? Brashard Perryman, Alex Mack, Alizi Mack. Isn't that the tight end dude that I thought returned last week? Hot opponent. Okay, how are they hot? Man, I know the guys were pumped at the. Man, Michael Brock is. I don't think you'll be on the team next year. I ain't gonna lie to you. You always disappoint me. Breakout player. Michael Pittman didn't get his yards today. Oh, he did? Hey, bro. Hey, Jared. Oh, baby. Let's go. That's what I like to see. I need more of that in my life. Okay. Players meeting. Let's see. Short week. I don't know what that music just randomly played. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not a huge fan of it. Let's see. Let's do our weekly strategy before we see it needs to be upgraded. This is the one. This is the game we're gonna play, so it's pretty important. The Bears. Bro, they don't throw the ball pretty good. Medium, but short they do. Let's take away the short. Let's see. They blitz a lot. Guess we're gonna do blitz counter. I was recommended. I'll just go with that. Okay. Done with that. Okay. Love it. We play at 12:30 at home. That's a wild time. Okay. Let's see. Michael Pittman. What's up, big dog? You know what we want for you. I'm gonna give you a deep threat. Let's see what the Bills gonna put on you though. On everything, because you about to get a lot more playing time. I'm not gonna lie. Route Tech's only good against man, I think. So, I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you Rod Apprentice, which is basically what that means is anywhere he lines up at receiver, whether it's a slot or out wide, I'm able to get 4 additional hot routes for him, which is great. Jonah Jackson, our starting left guard. Upgrade for you. That's good too. You're young. Thank you very much. So, what's up, hey dog? We're gonna go pass pro with you. Come on, man. He's also a superstar. Feel me? We're doing pretty good on the development side of things. That's what I like to see. Training's done. I think we've upgraded who we want to upgrade. I didn't think our first action would come on defense, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and get after it. Come on, boys. Come on, Mad Max. I need you to get home. Come on, Guara. Screen. I'm here. Let's go, baby. 4th down. All right, our first drive. Our second drive offensively. My first one I'm taking over. Let's go ahead and run a little power play. The DN will be left unblocked.
They'll start on the ground.
God damn!
And he'll go down after
My photo, yes, I look was like that.
Went with straight ahead pursuit and dumped him behind the line of scrimmage.
RPO action. Come on, Cephas. Come on, Cephas, run hard. Let's go, baby.
And that was get ball, throw ball.
All right.
Yeah, turn into a smoke route. If you see the coverage off the receiver, doesn't matter whether you call it a run or not. Just take the ball, get it out to him.
Eluding the pressure right.
Come on, jack off. Good slide.
And he's able to pick up the
Unlock the defense.
It's going to cover 2 look. We'll figure out if it's cover 2. Let it Hanson. If we can get deep. No, it's not cover 2. Actually.
escaping the pressure right.
Cephas. Let's go, baby. That was a terrible throw. Good catch. Potato in a Perryman situation. He's going to be out for a little bit. As far as this game goes, he should be back. But we're going to put Pittman in his spot regardless. Why not? Come on, Hanson. Come on, Hanson. I lied. No, it's like contact thing. I might be just keeping you away.
And he goes down the knock 4. And it was the visitors getting the win there, so they'll be looking for the sweep back here at home. Flush to his right.
Come on, Hopkinson. Come on, baby. Good catch, man. Where did I get that from? If he just dropped his shoulder there for me, bro, that's probably a touchdown. But we're going to bring in the big boys. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. Come on, Williams. Let's go, man. Too easy. Back on defense again.
In the second quarter.
Let's come on, Mad Max, man. We gotta get to this quarterback.
Throwing on third down, Fields.
Okay. I lied.
He's going to let this go.
Come on, Akuda. Akuda! Alright, we're back out here for another third down. I'm going to switch 7 with the Guara. Hopefully this is a better matchup. This Crosby didn't have any luck. I ain't gonna lie. Oh. We're coming. Get there, Walker. No, Walker!
And they'll work it inside the 15-yard line before it's all said and done.
Because of Walker's mishap tackling, we're now allowed them to get into the red zone. It's alright. We're going to stop here, man. Defense going to hold. Defense is going to hold. Come on, get a sack here, baby. Get a sack here. Good job, Guara.
Defensively, they have not allowed a lot of receivers to run free. And there's another example. Another incompletion.
Come on, pass rush. Come on, Guara. Screen again. I ain't gonna lie, they were in like 4 or 5 screens. Like, offensively, we got the ball down here. I believe they're playing. Looks like they're playing man. They're definitely blitzing based on the safeties. Come on, Hopkins. I trust you against anybody. Come on, man. I have no idea why the heck we're huddling. The clock is still moving. What are we doing?
From the red zone
controlling.
now,
Touchdown, Hanson.
And that is caught. Touchdown, Detroit.
Boom, bitch. Wow. First time on the field in the third quarter coming with less than a minute left. That's wild. And we're also only up by 3, so that's good, I guess. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on.
From the 50, it's gone.
Oh, come on. Come on. 43. Good catch. Let's go.
And he is going to preserve the lead for this
defense. All right, defensively, we're back out here again. Come on, Mad Max. Have to earn some of that money.
Fields on third down.
Damn, bro. Good for
he finds Robinson. And it's going to be another first down as they'll get him. 3 timeouts.
But I'm going to show you guys Michael Pittman's ability. You see the 4 extra routes, the cross, the corner, the post. Most receivers don't get that. Like, for example, this is X. He doesn't have that without that ability.
Fourth quarter, down to the final 2 minutes.
We're going to get hurt is huge for me, man. We just moved him in that guard from backup right tackle.
We'll check on his status.
He's driving. Oh, we running. Did that block 71? Oh, we good.
It's a room to maneuver. And he gets this inside the 35-yard line. Not totally home free.
I get an update on Crosby. It's a pretty good one. I just got to run one more play. Just try to get the first down and then it's over for sure.
Go off a hand.
No, God!
Oh, he lost the football.
No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I don't know who I pissed off from the Madden guy spear, but I'm sorry, bro. Like, I'm sorry.
Following the fumble recovery, Fields pass complete. Graham.
That was a heck of an effort.
Oh, got an update on Crosby. Oh my God, Akuda! I don't know if that was towards the end of the game, but I'm proud of the way we fought. That's a good win against a divisional opponent. I'm really happy about that. Michael Pittman's upgrade was huge for that game. As you guys saw, he has 4 additional audibles route-wise, which is key. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Swift fumbling right there towards the end just rattled me. It really caught me. But I'm glad to see we squeaked out the win. Good job defensively, Jeff Okuda. The first round pick from 2 years ago, many consider a bust. I'm gonna, come in. I came in. You gotta flesh everything that I know about him. Just give him a fresh start. And so far, he's rewarded me, which is great. Man, I'm just so happy to be in the position that we're in so far. I believe we are officially. What is it? I believe we are 6-5. Give me 1 second to check that. Don't quote me on that. We are officially. Yeah, we're 6-5. Okay, so we're leading the division still. That's key. That's key for us. Another divisional opponent coming up with the Vikings. That'll be a fun one. Captain Kirk and the boys are coming to town, and we gotta man up and take them. I look forward to seeing you guys out there. Another week, another divisional opponent, boys. Let's see the playoff bracket. Let's see it. Come on, where we at? Ooh, Seattle. Russ. How you doing, buddy? Kryptonian. I know you see it. Alright, let's see. Alexander Loney's returning back from injury. That's key. I'm going to go check on the injury because last week, I think towards the end of the game, Crosby got hurt, but I wasn't able to see what he had. Man, a dislocated elbow. That's rough, but okay, we move. Alright, we got to move. Let's see who wants to negotiate. Anybody new? I'm going to pull the contract on you. I'm not going to negotiate with you. Anybody else new up here? Charles Harris. I don't think I'm going to negotiate with you at all. Fullback, we can get. You're a dime a dozen, so you're not even up for negotiation yet. Hanson, I'm still thinking about it. Hanson. So, we'll see. Let's take care of weekly strategy. Let's see what the Cousins and the boys are doing. He throws the ball poor deep, but he has great success throwing the ball short. That's like everybody in this game. I swear to God. Let's see. Top threat for us. We throw great short, bro. 95? That's great. We gotta work on that medium, though. But blitz counter, okay. That's fine. I guess we'll go with the default. Now that's all taken care of. Let's go ahead and see if we have any upgrades after that. Of course, the second or third string quarterback has an upgrade. That's 5-head behavior, bro, to help the quarterback who probably will never play. Bro, he's been in the league for 3 years. Never knew that. All right. Let's go ahead and let's see where Green Bay is at. Green Bay is slipping, boys. They're 5-7. 5-7. But the Vikings are right behind us at 5-6. We're 6-5. This game is huge, man. We gotta win it. Oh boy, they've driven it down to our red zone, man. Oh boy, come on. When Anzalone, when Dalvin Cook.
First down. Here's Cousins. Swinging this out.
Bro, who was that?
Yeah, he'll forward. Second down.
Come on, boys.
Cousins gives way to Cook.
Oh my goodness. Good tackle, Anzalone.
Inside the 10 on third down.
Come on, defense. Come on, defense.
Cousins.
Watch check down. Watch check down. Let's go, Broncos. Let's go, baby. Okay, it's third down. We've driven it down into their territory, 3rd and 10. Let's see what we got here. Swift. Come on, Swift. Come on, Swift. Get this, baby. Let's go. Running hard. Let's go. I'm not a fan of that at all. We're going to run the same play again. We've been able to get at least 1 yard each time. So. Come on, Swift. Let's go, baby.
He will have the first down, but he gets attended to. We'll step aside.
So much pain. Come on, Hanson. Make it better, buddy.
The handoff. Now gone.
Make it better, Hanson. Thank you, touchdown. That's 6.
And he takes this one in for a Lions touchdown.
Rough.
they just do
I'm
that
gonna have to look at the free agent market to find us someone the whole
that's a
over.
little difficult to do.
Yeah, I think now 3rd and 2, that defense ready to stiffen up and stop.
Let's go, baby! 75. Let's go. Drop your nuts.
Yards here now is 2nd and 10. Now a give running right, it's Cook.
Let's go. It's a a dog, bro.
Stopped at the line of scrimmage. No gain on that one as it brings
He's only the fastest linebacker in the game. But, bro, he plays hard. I'm going to give him an extension for this game. Or next week. He plays so hard, bro.
Working out of the gun, Cousins.
Can't express that enough. Come on. Oh, my goodness. God damn.
He'll go down back at the 26-yard line.
You built like that?
Gets to go in
We're
the
fighting,
first
man.
half.
We got to fight. Definitely fighting.
Brewing for this defense after
Playing
that
alone.
last play is now they'll need to defend a 1st and goal from the 5.
Mad Max. Let's go, baby. Mad Max.
Now going to use the 2nd of their timeouts as they stop it here with just under 40 ticks to go
Defense
in
need to play.
this first
He's gonna make
half.
that play. He's gonna make that play, defense.
Meanwhile, first as he let that go, and now it's 3rd down.
What is happening? They just like shifted everything. Holy.
3rd and goal for Cousins.
Am I tripping or was I just stealing that title?
As he throws
Good tackle,
there,
man, Max.
incomplete.
Oh my, we're back out here for the first
Situation coming up
time
in the 3rd quarter, and this
on
defense
offense since
hoping to turn
I
that
think
3rd
I
down
hurt.
into 4th.
All right, boys. Let's make this our best play. A little bit of that.
Here's Goff. Eluding the pressure right. And he's left with no option here but to throw it away.
They're gonna go for it almost to try to ice it. We're gonna play the flats. Come on, man. You gonna run it?
Running for it.
I get clear out of the hole. Oh, good hit walk. Man, that hurts.
They're inside the 25.
We forced another 3rd down.
Situation in the 4th quarter.
Come on, defensive line. Gotta affect this game. We need something big. Need something big. Thielen's back at tight end. Out.
3rd and long for Cousins.
He has
Gonna
Thielen,
throw deep for the
but
end zone.
I guess he'll try me.
Maybe the turning point they need.
No, I got
Picked
it.
off by Will Harris. And the Lions
Couldn't do anything with the pick, but it looks like Sewell was back at right tackle, which is also really important. But then I'm gonna do the.
Desperation time for Goff on 4th. Escaping the
Let's
pressure.
go.
That was a heck of an effort.
This is our 2nd, 4th down on the drive, man.
Down a couple
Gotta
scores
fight,
late
man.
in
Like I
the
said,
game.
we're gonna have to
This
fight.
offense is- Here we go on 4th. Goff.
That's the wrong button I hit. Oh
And
my
it's
goodness.
incomplete. They cannot get you reset.
Good tackle from
They've got
touchdown,
it
man.
1st and
Come
goal
on.
in a game that appears to have already been decided. They'll run for it with
What the hell's going on out here?
into the end zone for a Viking touchdown.
The game's Derek Love got that 40 times a game, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You gotta find a better balance there.
On 1st down, it's Goff.
Golly.
And this throw a bit late as he try and keep hope alive here on 4th down. They're going for it.
At this point in the game, they've got to continue to try anything they can. They're still working at it, even though this one feels like a lost cause.
To be honest with you, fellas, that Hawkinson injury is going to be at least a 3-week one. When he left out of the game, we couldn't do squat. Defensively, we tried. Trust me, we tried. We just couldn't get anything going. Defensively, we held them to about 12 points, all on field goals. We were out there battling defensively. I can't ask for anything more from those guys, man. They fought tough. They just couldn't hold up towards the end, man. They were tired. But so far, I think we've gone, I believe, 1-2 in this video, with losses to the Browns, now the Vikings. Oh, man, that's just brutal. So far, we're 6-6 on the season. We got the Broncos, the Cardinals, and the Falcons. The next 3 ahead of us. Let's hope we can get a dub next week. Looking forward to the challenge. I'm really out of it, man. I was not expecting this outcome. I really wasn't. But Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing you guys down in the comments. As always, stay safe, make good decisions.